what is your firm's business purpose? This is among the initial questions I ask an entrepreneur or business owner when I am in talks with them to get associated with the firm. More than 80% of the time, they are unable to share a clear answer, or worse, haven't even thought about it. Hi, my name is Rashie Sinha. I'm a business productivity coach and trainer. Welcome to the season 3 of Midweek Business Moment, where I share quick tips and hacks that will help you streamline work and lead to better business success. Many times when I speak about business purpose, people confuse it with mission and vision. So let's first understand the definition on all three. A mission. A mission statement is used by a company to explain in simple and concise terms its purpose for the being. The statement is generally short, either a single sentence or a short paragraph. It is why of your business. A vision. A business vision is your goal for what your business will be in the future. A company's vision must align with its mission, strategic planning, culture, core values, and aspirations. Your business vision is the formal way of communicating your business goals and commitments to others. The business vision of an organization might change over time as companies adapt to their business environment and external factors. So one might ask, what is then a business purpose? Your business purpose is the reason you have formed your company. It boils down to a single sentence or at the max 2. It can be industry specific or general, though it will include annual and future business activities. To understand the business purpose, it is important to distinguish it from your company's vision or mission. You can write a business purpose for your firm by following these simple steps. First, start by researching your industry. It can be helpful to begin the process by looking at other businesses in your industry to see what they include in their business purpose statement. Researching competitors can also help you understand what services other businesses offer. This may provide you with a list of tasks or purposes that you may have previously not considered. Second, consider why you started the company. Ultimately, a business purpose is a statement defining why you are in that business. Take a few minutes to consider why you formed the business in the first place. Third, consider how the business will operate. Think of the specific steps you can take to achieve the reason for forming the business and how you may impact customers. Fourth and final, write your statement in a way that is concise and clear. Because a business purpose should only be a sentence or two, it is important to write it in a way that is concise yet clear. If you are still struggling on where to start, ask the questions inside the question to find your business purpose. In order to figure out your business why and how to articulate it, start by digging deeper into yourself and your company by asking and also answering some hard questions. Get out a pen and paper, open a new dry erase marker, start a fresh Google document, whatever you need to do to get out your thoughts. To help you, Here are the questions that I recommend you definitely should answer. What inspired your business idea? What's interesting about your founding story? What is unique about your business? What problem is your company trying to solve? How has your business evolved? Why does your company exist? Is there a specific cause your business is supporting? What do you believe in personally and in the professional circle? After answering these questions, don't be afraid to share them with your most trusted employees, advisors, and mentors. Seek the opinions of those who understand the company you're building and your business purpose, and ask them for constructive criticism. Articulating a beautifully worded purpose is only the first step, however. Next is making sure that it actually becomes real, beyond the PowerPoint presentations and company websites. And what will that take? First, it requires making the business purpose the cornerstone of the company's strategy. It also requires enabling every employee to make it their own, translating it into their individual work. And the third essential element to bringing the purpose to life is unleashing what I call human magic by creating an environment in which everyone is able and willing to give their very best in support of the chosen purpose. This is the hard work that builds genuinely purposeful companies. That's all I have for you today. If you liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive a notification whenever I share new content. Also, if you think people in your circle will benefit from this video, please share it with them. Thanks for your time.